Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press on my power key I can launch the camera application, and now we'll change this feature. So we should just go to the advanced features, tap here on the side key, and as can you see I got here selected the quick launch camera. Now we can just customize this option by tap here to open apps, and here we can select one from these available applications by just to press our power key twice. We'll just open these applications. For example, we can just turn on the touch the flashlight by double pressing our power key, and now we'll just check that. So as can you see, by double press to my power key I can enable or disable the torch of the flashlight, or for example we can launch the photos. So we'll just change it to photos, and now as can you see, by double press to our power key I can enable the photo application, and you can just select this app what you want. Just so that's how to customize the quick launch on our Samsung Galaxy M31s. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.